Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you the Jordan Game Royal ones that are releasing next Saturday. Now first, let's look into the shoe box tag. Retail price is $215 Canadian. Yes, I am Canadian. US dollars is 160, and I'm a size 10, so I bought a size 10 US. Now let's look more into the shoe. The shoe's quality is not looking good compared to the Bread Toes, but is looking very similar. But the quality on the Bread Toes is way better. Looking into the Jordan Wing, just to prove that they're legit, you know. Now let's look more into the shoe. Yeah, the shoe is looking really similar to the Bread Toes, but then the toe box, the quality is looking like some regular Jordan ones. But other than that, everything else looks fine, and the quality looks good. Just another shot of the back of the shoe, and also the wing. Yeah, the shoes are similar to the Bread Toes because I think that's where you call it the midsole where the Nike sign is the quality is looking very similar to the Bread Toes, except the toe box. And this is just another video of the soles of the shoes. After this, I'm gonna be showing you guys pictures from all angles.